Minister Bohra, first, welcome to UNEP TV.
Thank you.
Minister, a short while ago, you and the entire Nepalese cabinet met just on the base camp, near the base camp of Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. What point were you seeking to make?
Doing this meeting in the base camp, which is 5,542 meter, was just to let the international community know and the people know that the mountains are melting. And as a result, a lot of big lakes, glacier lakes are being formed. And we feel that if these lakes will be bursted,
if they burst,
the people, those living on the downstream, will be swept away, A, and B, across the border, which is 1.3 billion people lives on the riverside.
These are the people in India, in Bangladesh.
Yes, India, Bangladesh, and so. So the catastrophe this will bring, we cannot even imagine. So we wanted to address this issue to be noted by the international communities.
Minister, I understand Nepal's mountains are melting, but what steps can Nepal take in its own way to sort of reduce emissions? Are you pushing, are you propagating a green economy in your country?
Yes. Our part of the emission of the carbon is negative, rather 0.019. So we are not part of it, but we want to create an atmosphere with helping more forestation and more green job creating. And I would like to just inform you that we can produce 100,000 megawatt of power through clean energy, through hydro, and that can be used to reduce the carbon, which is in India they need more power, and if we can supply that clean energy to India, maybe we can reduce a lot of carbon emission. So that is what we are looking for, and to create an atmosphere as a green job. We are also trying. We have 15,000 community forest users groups and 1.3 million hectare of forest now been under the private hands, and they are keeping this forest intact. So we would like to mobilize the people for the green job, for green revolution in our country.
Minister Bohra, I want to thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for being on UNEP TV, and good luck.
Thank you so much.